So now I'm brushing my teeth. Look, it's really hard to go to the dentist at this pandemic, so I found my way to clean my teeth and my tongue a bit. So this is what I'm doing. Look, here's the toothbrush. I got this from Ghana. Yeah. So I got some gum, probably some pimples on my face. So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning to get all the stain out. And it does the job. So look, let's do it softly. You don't need to be hard on yourself. So let's go. Yeah, 4 sessions. So you do this 4 sessions. But the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to brush my long tongue. So it's going to be nasty. You can turn the camera off if you want to watch that. Okay? Okay? So I'm going to probably throw that away. So if you don't mind, I'm going to turn the camera off for a bit. So you can see it's doing the job. So you can see it's getting there, right? It's getting there. So look, I'm African, so I have to do what I was taught when I was a kid. You know what I mean? We don't have dentists when we're that young. So look, you can get this on Amazon and eBay and stuff. If you do travel to Ghana especially, you can get this from the market. It's not that expensive, yeah. This is my manual dentist, Look, it's getting better, right? The smile is getting better, you know what I mean? You have to do it with a little bit of juice, right? So let's see the result. That's very clean, right? That's very clean. So this is how you brush your teeth. Then once you finish now, you can go rinse your mouth with a mouthwash, then brush it softly. I bet if you do this every day for 30 days, you see the improvement. Thank you for watching. Make sure you